Hi and welcome back to our SOLIDWORKS tutorial series. And in this lecture we are going to study how to use Move Face feature in SOLIDWORKS. Move Face feature in SOLIDWORKS is not available for all types of version. I have currently using SOLIDWORKS 2022 version and in 2021 version. But these both version have Move Face feature. I guess in the 2023 and onwards you will see Move feature also. You can see Move feature in the direct editing, and you see here now is the Move Face. In the Move Face you can do offsets, translates and rotate faces and features on a solid or surface model. So let me just draw a simple rectangle. Let me just draw a simple center rectangle and extrude base. Now we have something like this. By clicking on insert feature and Move Face, you see here it does not show the Move Face. For the Move Face to see, we have to go to direct editing and click on Move Face. Now I want this and to extend up to 50 mm. So I will click on offset, click on the face and click on 50. Now you see now its length has been increased. So if I flip the direction, now it's 50 mm length has been decreased. So this is how it works. Let me just flip the direction and I have select two faces. Now its height and its length both have been increased. So if I click on translate and just select one thing, and I have selected, it is asking me in which direction I want this face to move. In X direction, in Y direction and Z direction, in how much millimeters. So let's say I want to in the Y axis 50. I will click on check. Now the height has been increased. You see, if I click Z, let's see if it's work or not. It is not working because I have selected a face which is basically parallel and horizontal. So only Y face works here. It does not matter if I increase or not. So by clicking on this face, I have selected you can see in the preview that if I reduce the Z-axis, then this face preview only value become less, not the above, because the height of this changes by Y. And if I select the third phase also, now if I change the x-axis action, now the depth has also changed. So clicking on check, now you have the. So now for the rotate feature, I will select Move Face, and now let me select this face and click on rotate. Now let's see if this rotates or not. I will just click on here. Now you see nothing happens because on one face cannot rotate. If I select two face, now you can see now that by selecting two faces it has rotated. You can change the rotated direction by just dragging this upward and downward. You see, like this. This is a triad, basically this is a region. So with the help of this, you can change your region from where you want the angle to start. The angle here is 49 degree currently. So if I change this angle, you see it is changing. By clicking on OK, you see something like this has happened. So this is how the rotate feature can be used in the SOLIDWORKS. So Move Face is a very handy tool in complex designs and industrial designs. So master it, explore it, and do practice it. Thank you so much for watching this video.